Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is a little glam look. So I'm showcasing the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I thought to show you guys exactly how I make this look. For Valentine's, if you just want to do it for yourself or for your boyfriend or girlfriend, it's fine. So let's just get started. So I'm just putting the clips in my hair to make sure that my hair is all back. I think I got these from Primark, and I'm just going to go in with the Got To Be Ultra Glued. So I used a pea-sized amount and put it on the back of my hand. I then get a mirror and a spoolie brush and brush all those hairs upwards. And then after I've done that with the other eyebrow, I shape them a little bit. So as you can see, I'm just brushing up and just shaping them to how I like them. You can do them as bushy as you want. So I then use a wipe, like a wet wipe. I just get these from Primark. I only use the tiniest bit, so I rip off however much I need and then put the rest back in the packet. So it's only a little bit. I'll wrap it around my finger. This is just to get the excess glue off, and it just makes the look a lot better. I then go in with the NYX Shine Killer primer. Obviously rub that into your face, just around the eyes and the mouth, making sure that every bit is covered. Then I'm just going to use the Benefit Brow. So this brush actually recreates tiny little hairs and it makes it look more natural, so that's why I like using this applicator rather than any other ones I have had. So I'm just using the Jaclyn Hill palette. As you can see, I'll just use these colours, but I'll tell you what colours they were at the bottom of the description box. So I'm just going to go in with the lighter colours, use this as a base, use a fluffy brush and just go around the lid. Obviously tap off the excess and just go round, and obviously do the same thing to the other eye. So the next thing, I'm going to go in with a kind of peachy colour and then a beigey colour, top off the excess. Well, I didn't with that one, but you're supposed to. And then just go around your eye, just creating more depth of shade. This look isn't too crazy, it's not too out there, but it's something that I would do for Valentine's Day. So then we are going to go in with the neon pinky colour. I wanted to use like a wing liner look, but it didn't really come out well because I just didn't wet the brush. I totally forgot. So this is why I then step in with another colour. So I got the Beauty Bay liquid eyeshadow. So put that all over my lid, and you can just tell that is such a nice colour. I've never actually used this before, but all of them as so far have just been so perfect, and they literally have just gone so nicely with the brushes, blended really well. I absolutely love it. So it's kind of like a two-toned colour, so it's kind of purpley, pinky, and I just love it. It's really cute for Valentine's Day as well. So again, just blend it with the brush. You don't have to, you can obviously go in with your finger, but I just feel it's more controlled with the brush. And then just clear up anything that has fallen out at the bottom. Just clean it up with my leftover wet wipe that I got. I then curl my eyelashes. Obviously you've seen this done before, so just curl them. So I then go in with the EX1 foundation. I absolutely love this foundation. It matches my skin perfectly. The lighting, it's just a little bit weird. It seems that it's a little bit light for my skin, but it's not. Natural lighting obviously looks absolutely fine. My acne has been playing up a little bit. If you saw my latest video, which was the spicy noodle challenge, you would understand why. Just so you know, it was about 3 pumps of foundation that I used over my skin. So now it's all buffed out. I'm using my concealer. So this concealer I always use, it's the Revolution one. I've always used this one, absolutely love this. So again, I just do the basic standard of what I'm supposed to do. You guys have seen this probably in so many other videos, but it's exactly the same. So obviously I'm just blending it with a damp beauty blender. You can obviously use a foundation brush if you feel more comfortable to, you can do. I just like using a beauty blender. I then go in with a neon pink just to blend everything together. Obviously I do this after my concealer. I then go in with the Revolution stick. This is actually a foundation stick, but I use it as a contour stick. So obviously I do size on my cheeks, my nose, underneath my chin and my forehead. I obviously blend this then with a foundation brush or a buffer brush, and I just make sure that everything is blended properly. So now it is all blended in. My camera actually cut out at this point, but I did use the Too Faced bronzer in dark, just bronzed up the cheekbones, and now I'm going to go in with the Manali Blusher. I absolutely love this blusher. You don't really need highlight with it at all. You just put this blusher on, and because it's got highlight kind of specks in it, it really brings the whole thing together. So again, now just going in with my staple lip look. I got all these from Beauty Bay. Absolutely love how it's turned out, and this lip look is really lasting as well. You don't really need to top it up, and you can also add a gloss, which I absolutely love. To give it a ombre kind of look. So from there we have the final look. So this is obviously a short little video, but I really hope you do like it. If you do, then I just spray my face with the Urban Decay setting spray. I just obviously take my hair clips out, and this is the final look, guys. It's very subtle but really cute for a virtual date, FaceTime date, if you're just going out with your friends. Absolutely fine. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe, and stay happy and stay healthy.